Looking for a reliable locksmith in Columbus, Ohio area? Welcome to All Keys Locksmith LLC. We are a full-service, 24-hour locksmith and security company serving Columbus, Ohio and the surrounding areas. So whether you are locked out of your car, want to replace your house locks, or in need of a new car key made as fast as possible, we are here to take your call. Only 15 minutes. Response time. If you are locked out of your car, or house, or office, you need someone to help you out fast. Lucky for you, All Keys Locksmith LLC has a team of technicians out and about throughout the Columbus, Ohio area. The locksmiths working for us are equipped with GPS tracking systems, allowing our beloved dispatchers to locate the mobile locksmith nearest to your location and send him right over. It takes the technician around 15 minutes to get to your spot, depending on the traffic and workload he got. As true locksmith, we do have a fee for the technician's time, gas, and effort to come to your location, and estimating the job on site. Unfortunately, no professional locksmith will provide flat rates over the phone. We can do is to provide you with a rough estimate over the phone. Our emergency 24-hour locksmith service is about 90% of the incoming calls we receive, who require the assistance of an emergency locksmith. That is why the experts at All Keys are here to help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Your peace of mind is extremely important to us. We always keep a mobile locksmith unit on call at night time. So contact us at Dennis Edmond 614-603-1165 day or night. We service all of Columbus, Ohio. If you lock yourself out of your house or car, remember to call Dennis.